Hey guys, Josh and Kenneth here. We
Hey.
are on, it's not chat roulette, it's called Omegle.
Omegle.
And me and Kenneth are playing a game. Well, I haven't showered today, so we're looking kind of nasty.
Me neither. And we worked on
Kind of nasty. A dirty little boy. But yeah, so we're playing a game asking these girls who's cuter, and we're going to see who wins. Right now it's 0-0. We're just starting. So we're checking out, we're asking this girl right here. What's her name?
I don't know. Stranger.
Right.
Colon.
Let's see what she says. Dude, would you just answer?
For real, man.
Look what she said. She said, the shorter haired one. Who has the shorter hair? I don't know. Just kidding. That's me. So
All
1
right,
point for me.
1-0.
And she logs off because she's all shy. Don't be all mad. Why are you getting mad?
Man, okay, dang. My life is gonna end if I don't get a cuteness.
That's alright. She wasn't that cute. Anyway,
She ain't cute.
And even if it's a guy, you gotta ask him. He's probably gonna say
No.
you because you have that connection. I'm just kidding. Hola.
Dude, it's gonna be so much fun.
I know, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. Happy
Also,
Fireworks Day and Independence Day. Yeah, right?
Our black twins are gonna come to our other cousin's house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Maybe we
So,
can
yeah.
stop by.
So it's gonna be a fun day today. We're going to Yvonne's party. They're invited our family, and I don't know if you understand me if I talk like this, but yeah, we got some mangoes for them, and that's what Filipinos do. We just go places, we just give gifts and stuff, and even if it's food, we're like, you know what I mean? Right?
Yeah.
And we're just gonna have some fun, right? We just give and take, and we're just gonna eat, and we're just gonna hang out and have family fun, right? So yeah, it's Yvonne's house, and here we go. Time to have some fun. Hey. I freaking love this guy. This is Ben 10. I met him for a really long time, but we just
Never knew each other.
never knew each other. Where were you all my life, Ben 10?
I don't know. In the other room?
Oh, yeah. And then this is Yvonne. Say hi, Yvonne.
Hi.
Look at the
Yvonne.
camera.
Oh my god. So yeah, this is my friends. I freaking love you, Ben. Yvonne.
I love you too.
Oh, Kenna, what you doing?
Hi. I'm reading.
Dude, we are at a party and you're freaking reading a book?
Read it, Kenneth. Read it. Read it.
I'm reading.
read it.
I'm reading.
Oh, Ben 10.
Apple attack.
Dude, I'm gonna show your mom these videos, so.
No,
Just kidding. No homo. It's all good.
Always worrying. How different it would be when he didn't need to worry about me anymore. What would he do with all his free time? He'd have to get a new. Ow! Hey!
Sorry, Kenneth. You know I love you.
How are your feet?
Oh, watch my videos.
Where's Chris?
No, what's that this one?
Yvonne's painting my nails. If this nail's painted, it's lucky. I don't know why. Right, Yvonne?
Which
Like,
color
when
do
I
you
was an
want?
actor,
Which color do you want?
I had a lead role. Yes. This one. No, pink. I had a pink nail painted, and then, like, I did so good on my plays, because it's good luck. I don't know, I believe in that stuff. Do you believe in it, Ben?
Yes, I do.
Yeah?
It's different.
I hope you'll talk to me! Don't mess up. Oh!
Stop, or else I will mess up.
Okay, Ben.
No, we shall continue until it's all done. Until it's complete.
This one is not nail polish. It's like
Ben, what are you doing to me?
a drawing thingy for nails. It draws.
Oh, Ben, what are you drawing?
Your finger.
This feels retarded. Come on. I have a banana on my forehead.
He's just gonna eat the banana off his forehead. That's it.
Just do it.
Just do it. Eat the banana. Eat the banana. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Come on. Open it.
Whoa! Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
Yeah!
Woo!
Colorful. There was a squirrel in that tree.
Hey, squirrel.
Man, this camera can't pick up light that weird. Hey! Woo!
Hey, don't smack me.
Damn. Oh snap! Daphne. I don't know if you guys could see me, but me and Kenneth are here watching the fireworks, and here's Yvonne trying to kill our bromance, trying to be together, but Yvonne's here. She's just like killing the time for me. Just kidding, Yvonne. If you were a girl, I'd make out with you, Kenneth.
But I'm a guy, and I'm your brother.
I know.
I'm your
That's
brother.
why I can't make up with you. Wow. Where are they at? Yvonne, where are the fireworks?
It's gonna be over here.
Whoa. There's a fire in the sky.
80 colors.
Ooh.
Why would it work?
Here, light this thing up.
Oh, okay.
How about me? I want more. Wait. I want more. Get it away from your face.
Not here.
Oh!
Hey, look at.
Sorry, Lena.
I don't know.
Stencil? Let me see one.
Light the stick.
Go, Yvonne. Light me up.
Whoa.
How come I'm not going? There we go.
It's not gonna work.
Why? Dude, what the heck am I holding?
What are we holding?
Just like incense or something? What is this?
What is incense?
I got incense in my hand. Happy 4th of July, DJ.
Hi.
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 Bring one up. You want to light one up?
Don't do that. No.
Whoa. Whoa. Happy 4th of July. Oh, sure. Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Here. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
Oh, it burns my hand.
There we go.
Where is it?
Josh.
Hello? Hey, what's up?
Danny, can I just stick this one down there and light it?
Go on the block.
Can I stick this one down there and light it?
You see that? Did you see
I
that?
didn't see it.
Did you see that?
Come on.
That is 1 week firework. So.
Fire in the hole!
Come on, baby, firework.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. There we
That's what I'm
go.
talking about.
There we go. Oh my god. That's nice. That's nice.
Put one of these things in your butthole and then light it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And see what happens.
Okay. I can't do it anymore.
Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Dude, look, I have a helmet. I have a helmet on.
You have a helmet on.
So yeah, everyone's getting a makeover. Keanu Reeves is curling his hair. Just kidding, this is my friend Tim.
Hi.
Looks like Keanu Reeves. The guy from The Matrix. And Daphne is just like, how's your hair, darling? How's your day?
Pretty dang good.
I have a helmet on.
How about you, Yvonne? And I am just
Justin Bieber.
chilling.
Hey!
Lion.
Epic hair curling. Poofy.